I have some boneless and skinless chicken thighs in a Ziploc baggie, and I'm coating them with flour and salt and pepper. And I'm putting oil in the pan, about a cup. And I'm putting the chicken into the hot oil, and that'll probably take about 20 minutes to cook. I'll turn them at 10 minutes. This dish feeds a large group, so it's perfect if you have a potluck you need to take something to, or if you just want plenty of leftovers. You can start this dish on the stove top, fry the chicken, and add all of the other ingredients and basically just get it all started. And then if you have a Dutch oven like I'm using, you can put that in the oven on about 350 Fahrenheit and let that go for about an hour and continue cooking. Or you could also transfer it all to a crock pot and just let that go while you're running errands or whatever else you have to do. Maybe you'll be at work, and then it'll be ready when you return home. I'll keep checking the chicken just to make sure it's done on all sides and all the way through. I've sliced up a large onion that I'm going to add to the pot. You can slice it in rings or dice it up, whichever you prefer. And the chicken's just about done, so I'm going to go ahead and throw the onions in there and let those cook. And now that the chicken is completely done, I'm going to go ahead and take that out and put it in a dish and set it aside and continue to cook the onions. I want the flavor of the onions without the big chunks of onions, so I'll let those cook down for quite a while. And now that I'm happy with that, I'm going to go ahead and add flour to the pot and just stir that around. Basically, I'm just making a roux. How much flour you add to that will depend on how much grease you have in the pot. And now I'm just adding water, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and a little bit of nutmeg. I'll add about a cup of milk and continue cooking for a few minutes. And then I'm going to add noodles, just your average, ordinary, buy from the store noodles. And I'm going to stir those around and just let those simmer until they're done. Since I'm cooking the noodles in a sauce, it will take a little bit longer for those to get done. So if you normally cook your noodles for about 8 minutes or 10 minutes, then you'll probably need to cook those for about 15. Okay, now everything's thick and cooked thoroughly. I'm going to go ahead and put some of that in a bowl and then add the chicken on top. You could put the chicken in with the noodles and sauce if you wanted. I also have some biscuits that I made previously and froze, and I just thawed those out and added those to the bowl. So give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching.